Guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we are unboxing our new Apple Watch. This is a monumental moment for me because I wanted this watch for a long time. Now this is the second year, and finally I decided to make a purchase and go with it. So let's go ahead. You see the symbol. It has this sort of paper, how to say, not a foundation, but like formed paper. What else is there? Just imprinted Apple logo and watch. This logo means that this watch is made completely net positive of the CO2. This is the Trail Titanium Blue Black color, ML size and 49 millimeters. But I guess Apple Watch Ultra 2 all are 42 millimeters. So let's go ahead and ooh, how satisfying! They really know how to do these things. They really know how to do these things. Wow. Oh my lord, now this is the presentation. I remember when I got Series 0 Apple Watch 38 millimeter wide with a simple aluminium. That was so epic for me, and this is actually the second watch that I'm buying. Here we have some booklet with the drawings, of course, of trails, because that's the main thing that I'm gonna use this. Yes, this is the Alpine loop. No, trail, sorry, not Alpine, trail loop. Yes, trail loop. Okay, what do we have here? Yes, there's the corpus, the button, the volume rocker, digital crown, and the button also. Okay. Cool. The speaker, I love the speaker. That's the mics, that's the GPS. Action button, we'll see what we can do with the action button. Damn. Okay, that looks amazing. Okay, to turn it on, to charge it on. Ooh, okay. Program compass, campfire, digital ground, to change it. Okay, so there's the dots that you can make in actual GPS coordinates, so you can make use of something out of that. Okay, that's the height meter. Damn, now this is epic. Okay, this is the deep, 20 meters deep, the time, the temperature. This is temperature of, oh, the water temperature. God damn, there's even water temperature right there. Wow, awesome. Oh, so this is not the time, but this is actual, timer. Okay, this is the zone, the workout program. This is the zones that you can actually do. Okay, the BPM, the time, average heart rate. Wow, and what do we have here? Okay, so that's some sort of informational. This is in other language, so I don't know. Oh, that's the Lithuanian. Okay, that pretty much just some info right there. Not a lot. Cool, let's move to the side. Oh, god damn. Look at this. There's two packages. Two amazing packages. Wow. I'm excited. When I bought it, I thought like, it's just going to be another, like smartwatch that I'm gonna buy because I used to own like the first Apple smartwatch, then the Garmin ones, then the Samsung ones, then even Motorola ones. There was Moto G. But yeah, this is some different breed of those. Okay, here I'm going in. damn. Dreamt for, I don't know, 2 years. Okay. Titanium case, 49mm Ultra 2 with the actual, oh, god damn, Apple California, of course, that's the coordinates of Apple Puck. Oof, 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 oof. Now this is, oh my lord, look at this. This is, well, this is the presentation. This is how you should do your products. Doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. You made products in China, you made products in Europe. You should do it like this. Oh Lord, look at this. Beauty, like pure titanium. Oh, okay. Let's leave it to the side. Let's leave those emotions to the side. Okay, what do we have here? I guess that's the charging cable. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's the puck. Yes, of course that's paper also, because why do you use plastic when you can use actual paper? Awesome. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to find a place. Yeah, I think I'm gonna quickly take my power brick from my phone, and I'm gonna put it to charge. Ooh, and it holds. Nice, nice. I don't remember doing that one. I got the first one, but yeah. Okay, nothing's inside. Let's put the trash in the actual bag. Okay, bag has now only rubbish. Okay, the first thing is done. Now is the ML band, the blue black trail loop. What's here? Carbon neutral. Learn at apple.com 2030. Carbon neutral thing. Jesus. Already 2024 and they already doing that. Okay. So this is the same. It looks like this is the same system. You attach and slide it. Yeah. Pretty much that's the same. Okay. What do we have else? Nothing, as you see there. For instructions and safety information, see the Apple Watch user guide at Apple Support Manuals Watch. Okay. Oh, and that's how it okay, it fixes right there. Adjust band to close to your wrist from optimal performance. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. And then there's the band. Wow. Now this is the watch that I really wanted. Actually I wanted this. Very, 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 very interesting. Very, very, very nice, of course. I'm thinking maybe getting a different color. Okay. Oh. One side, other side. And then we... Oh, it's like the other way. Other way around, okay. Okay. Okay, it's like this. It's 3 or 2. I don't actually remember. Was it this side? No, it should be this. Yes, on this side. And this. Okay. Cool. Now, let's change my red calendar Sunday Casio that I really, really love to this amazing piece of smartwatch. Jesus Christ. Nowadays, I love walking. I love walking, and this is going to empower me. But I'm thinking, maybe I put it the wrong side. Or no, not the wrong side. No, it's okay. Yep, it's okay. Cool. So, that was the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now, the last thing we need to do, turn it on. Here we have Apple logo. Oh, it's so soft, spinning so soft. Okay. Nice. Speaker, mics, GPS. Okay, we'll see. Maybe a little bit, yeah, like that. To continue, connect Apple Watch to this charger. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Let's connect it to the charger. If it's low, I think it actually shouldn't be low. One moment. Let me put it in. Okay, let's take the heater off, because it's already quite okay. I don't need that much of heating. But the cable is very short cable. Okay, let me move together with our arm so you can see it. Okay, and here we have Apple Watch English region. Turn the region. Oh, okay, the region is Lithuania. The languages would be good that it would be getting ready to pair. This could take several minutes. What do you mean? Oh, okay. And here we have ready to pair. Thank you for watching this longer than usual video, you know, with my emotions. But yeah, it's time to drink and dance on the table. So, see you next time. I'm gonna upload the new laptop unboxing also, because I bought this amazing Lenovo laptop, Legion, with the newest Ryzen mobile CPU and RTX 4000 series GPU. So be out there and look for that video also. Okay, that was MDP Tech. Thank you for watching this video. Press like. If you have any questions, write it down in the comment section and subscribe, please. Bye.